So, let's go back to the market. Balik tayo dito sa trading view. And right now, we're looking at Tether. And naka-form tayo ng another harmonic right here. And it may follow it kasi I think it will definitely follow it. Kasi kaninang maga, nagkaroon tayo ng parang irregular movement. Kasi over the weekend, ito, this zone right here, teka lang, drawingan natin. Drawing tayo ng circle. Boom, ay, ano ba to? Yon. So, this area right here, dyan na naglalaro yung mga prices on this area over the weekend. And out of nowhere, this morning sa Monday, bigla nag-spike pataas. So, I think it's just the market trying to eat some, mga whales. Kumakain lang sila ng mga, for some reason, a lot of Mondays, hindi ko alam dahil sa Asia session, kasi this when the Asia market opens, they like to eat a lot of, stop losses. Kaya feeling ko, kasi maraming naka-sell dito or naka-buy sa mga crypto kasi, si USDT, pagka pabagsak, pa-buy naman tayo sa mga other cryptos. So, if Tether is going up, we're selling on the crypto. So, since this is supposed to go down, everyone is currently buying on the crypto, tumaas siya para kainin yung mga retail traders like me, like us. So, natin, for example, let's look at BTC. Yep, and this morning, boom. Ito, zoom in natin. Yawn. Ito, yung candle na yan, biglang bumaba. Talagang na-hit niya yung final zone ko dito for a harmonic. So, actually, although bumagsak siya, hindi naman nasira yung harmonic natin. It actually completed it for sure. Ngayon, if this candle would have closed below this 88% Fibonacci, most likely, sira na yung harmonic na to. Pero since nag-reverse siya and tumas siya back ulit sa area na to, it's saying na we're back in the game, na parang nagkaroon ng, price correction. And right now, like I said, until lumabas yung major news na yun, expect this to fluctuate lang. It's gonna keep fluctuating. Kasi like I said, that's a 2-year statement na mangyayari sa US government, US economy. And it will definitely give investors, mga hedge funds, yung mga malaking investors, whales, a clear view of where the market is heading. And, once they have a clear view of where the market is heading, doon sila naglalagay ng mga sureball na investment. Kasi until they know what the government's gonna do with the market, then they'll know when to invest. So hopefully, crossing our fingers, maganda yung news na yun. So anyways, ang target natin sa Bitcoin is always, according to my harmonic, D point is around 43K or 44K pala. Okay? So, but, expect some, it's not gonna be a smooth ride, pataas, bigla, hindi lang ba nagtataas yan. So, expect some movement. Like, for example, we're gonna expect a movement like probably like this. It's gonna hit the first SD zone, bounce dito sa may, parang trend line natin, hit this, play, might bounce around here. Boom. And then, it might stop here kasi there's an SD zone right here. And then it's gonna go like that. And then, boom. And then, once I hit the D point, we can take profit. And we can sell there also. Alright, so that is the possible movement we're looking for in Bitcoin. So, right now, I wouldn't suggest buying. Huwag mo tayong bibili. Kasi right now, the price is still messing around with all of us retail traders. So, mukhang maghihintay tayo until Thursday. Okay na to scalp. If I was gonna scalp this, definitely sa 1 hour or 30 minutes. Tignan natin. So, ito, yung zone na yan, diyan ka mag-buy and sell. So, ma-reach yung area na yan, sell ka. Reach the bottom, pumili ka. Yun lang naman. It will play around that area. So, tingin naman tayo sa other currencies or other cryptos, I mean. Tignan natin si ADA. Ito yung, grabe, bad trip. Andito, ito, exactly. Ayan o, na-hit yung SL ko. Dapat lang yung SL ko, dapat ginawa ko all the way here. Para, it would have made some more room. But, I was only willing to risk 50% of my margin. Pero I should have increased it more. Hindi ko na-expect na mag-fluctuate yung market this morning na biglaan like that. Okay, so should have put the SL a little bit lower than the previous low. Yep. So kung dito ko nalagay, baka hindi na-hit yung SL ko. Pero tinan mo, tumaas siya, pero binawi din within the zone. And right now, it's reaching yung corner na yan. So it could spike up anytime. Pero like I said, right now, it's all on the fundamentals of the market. Kaya, I don't expect any major breakout anytime. So feeling ka maglalaro lang din dyan for now. Okay? Now, looking at Solar Network. Solar Network, mukhang nag-bounce siya dito sa may 78% Fibonacci, pero there's another chance that it might reach 88% before it springs up. Okay? Although maganda yung ano nito dito sa may nagmamatch sa may other harmonico na cipher dito kasi if it does bounce here, this is a very strong SD zone kasi nagmamatch sa kasi yung C naman ng ano ko pwede naman siya either ang range naman nito is from I believe 38% until 88% Fibonacci. So it could be all the way up here, it could be all the way down here, or it doesn't matter. So the point is hindi siya lalagpas ng 88%. Okay? So this could be the bouncing point, who knows, but we will look for price action signs, meaning we may have to see some retest before it actually goes up. All the way up there. And that's a pretty big. Ang laki ng ano na yan, ng ilang percent yan, tinan natin. So let's do some price. Kung maglo-long position tayo on this area. Actually, ito na pinaka-safe na dyan. So maglo-long tayo dito and then it goes all the way up here. And syempre, ang ano natin is just below the previous SL natin. Let's make it around, there you go, 5%. Versus, ilan to? Let's look at it. Boom. Ay. Wow, 75%. Grabe, ang laki ng ano na ito. Wow, that's a lot. 75%. But syempre, we're not gonna expect that kind of big movement right away. So, definitely, we have some zones to consider. Ano bang mga zones natin na definitely we will consider? Let's take a look at, let's create some boxes. Ito, definitely ito zone na zone yun, no? Ito. Yung area na yan. So, that's a SD zone. Ito, anywhere na may mga ganyang mga bounces. SD zones yan. And then, there's another zone right here. Pat sa may taas na to. We'll start from here. Boom, may hit yan. Yan, yan ang mga zones natin. And then another zone right here. Boom. And syempre, definitely malaki na to. Yan. So, mga zones yan before niya ma-hit yung pinakataas. So, expect the price to go like this. So, if ever mag-start tayo dito, let's say di tayo nag-buy, price is gonna go up, down, boom. Ay, hala. Oops. Ended too soon. So, let's try that again. Nag-record kasi ako sa sa iPad ko kasi hindi maganda yung audio ko sa computer. So, yan. So, let's sabihin natin ganito. Yan. Boom. 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 And maybe, mag-play around muna siya dito. And then, boom. Boom. And then, boom. Boom. And hopefully, kanyang kalaki. Yeah. So, that's the kind of price movement we're expecting. Yan. And then, if ever ma-hit niya to, yung area na yan, we can always go for a sell all the way down here. Yan. Yan ang first TP natin. Yan. So, yep. Ay, nawala eh. Oh. So anyways, yun ang possible movement. Now, looking at CTK versus Tether, ito mas very interesting kasi na-hit niya, nag-bounce siya dito sa may C point na to. This is a Gartley Looking at the green harmonics so currently nag-bounce siya, pero it may go down kasi it may retest muna yung price na yan bago to confirm, kasi usually it likes to retest bago i-confirm yung total up movement. Plus, like I said, wala tayong makikitang any clear movement pataas unless maganda confirmed yung news sa Thursday ng madaling araw. So guys, walang tulugan sa Thursday. Masarap bantayan niya kasi magkakaroon ng mga fluctuations, and when it does, malaking market movement, and then usually expect nyo kakain muna ng mga SL yung mga yon. So kung maganda yung news, don't expect to go up right away. It's gonna go down first ng malaki, then it will go up. Okay? So ito naman, it may go down here all the way sa may D point kasi si Gartley na it can go all the way up down here. Yan ang possible. This is a very high chance na pagka na-hit to, tataas talaga kasi it goes with our other harmonics. With our cipher harmonic na orange. Ito yung orange. Pero, like I said, for now, we'll put it here kasi this where it bounces. Pero if ever ma-break yung zone na to, if ever ma-break siya, yung area na yan, ma-break to, this is the next target. Then, tsaka siya tataas. Okay? Yan ang mga possible. Actually, yeah, there's a high chance na mas ma-reach to. Kasi nga, there's plenty of room pa eh. Pero who knows? Market can be unpredictable. So, we have to see some, yung ranging, like, magkakaroon ng parang ganyan, kumpul-kumpulan, mitigation zones, tinatawag. And then, bago siya tumaas. Okay? So, now, let's move on to another currency, pero let's fix that. Another crypto. Ito naman sa CRV versus Tether. Okay, boy. Ito, crab pattern, no? Kasi na-hit nyo to, yung 61%, the sweet number. Pero may possible area pa siya bumaba. There's more room pa baba eh. Bago niya, who knows? Baka makompleto, pag nakompleto, laki ng potential na ito. If ever, tinan natin kung anong kalaki yung potential niya sa prices. Example, dito tayo maglalagay ng buy position, ng long position. All the way up here. Wow! 97%! Dang! That is insane. Lagay tayo dyan, risk tayo ng 5%. So, 97%. Wow! Na times that by 20 na leverage, or times by 50, by 100. Grabe, ang laki ng potential niyan. Pero hindi basta-basta tataas ng ganyang kabilisan yan. It's gonna take a while. And plus, hindi pa naman na-hit yung D point. And hindi pa naman nakikita natin yung kung magiging sakto ba yung harmonic na to dito. Alright? It's not confirmed yet. Kaya, it's just standby lang muna tayo. Now, for Gala or whatever you call it, interesting naman siya. Kasi dalawang harmonic ang nag-confirm na medyo solid yung mangyayari na to. And plus, meron tayong mga trend lines na nagpo-form ng wedge. So, anytime, kumukha nito, nag-breakout siya pero binawi din nung kailan ba to? Nung isang araw? Yeah, this is just on the other day. Could be Saturday. Hindi, Sunday, na madaling araw. Yes, Sunday. Ito. Or nung Saturday. So, nag-breakout siya pero binalik din. So, bali wala yan. So, expect natin maglalaro siya sa may zone na yan. So, a lot of opportunities to enter a buy. Right now, this is actually a good place to buy. Pero like I said, mas maganda pumasok tayo sa retest versus sa initial. Kasi like I said, maglalaro yung mga whales na yan. So, pwede tayong bumili dito on these zones. These lower zones, wag dito, masyadong mataas na dito. So, we'll buy around these zones. Then, boom, all the way pataas. Tignan natin yung price ratio niya kung magkano yung possible. Kikitain. So, kung bibili tayo sa pinaka-bottom area dito, yan. Now, we'll put that thing a little bit slightly. Okay. Down. 9% risk, kasi sa may lower, Pero all the way up here, 55. Maganda na. That's pretty good. See? Okay. 55. Pwede na. Now, for Litecoin, LTC, right now, it hit the letter C sa harmonics, pero it went up, then binawi. Now it's ranging Right now, this become a mitigation zone. And who knows, baka mag-pullback to ulit sa C bago siya mag-D. Okay? Bakit D? Kasi tinan mo, kung iso-zoom out natin siya, ang ganda ng ng D point sa trend line. Oh. Ang ganda nito, oh. Titingnan nyo, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng form. Talagang perfect na perfect yung harmonics sa trend line, oh. Ang galing. So, I have a very strong feeling na ito susundin niya to. Na it will hit the D point. So, like I said, wait for a pullback, like a price retest around this area. Hindi ko babagsak pa dito yan kasi this morning bumagsak siya. Oh. Ayan, bumagsak siya this morning. Ayan, it's gonna pull back here. So, kung bibili tayo, could be around this zone right here. So, lagay tayo ng little, yan, ito. So, feeling ko maglalaro lang yung price around this area. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so if you were to buy there, ano magiging, how much? Let's take a look. Boom. Lagyan natin dyan. Then, okay, so medyo maliit, around 25%, kulang 25%, pero pwede na. Hey, opportunity is an opportunity, di ba? So, yon. So, yep. Now, looking at Matic Network. Matic Network, eto. Actually, nakaka-form ko lang nito kanina eh. Kaka-analyze ko lang nito. Oh. Pwede niya ma-hit yung D zone anytime pagka na-hit yung zone na to. Teka, ito tayo sa 1 hour. Para kailangan kong i-pinpoint exactly kung bakit sa D zone siya. Oo, dahil dito. Let's zoom in here. Oh, complete na niya yung D zone, no? Tignan mo. So, yun. Ito, gatong kalaki yung possible percentage dito. 16%. Okay, not bad. But like I said, at least, ito, ang maganda actually kay Matic right now, it's, makukumpleto na yung harmonics. So, the moment na we see some signs na matouch yung D area, then nag-price retest, nag-ranging, then biglang pumitik. Yun na yun. So, keep an eye on Matic. Ano pa ba? Ethereum, medyo malaki kasi yung harmonics ko rito eh. Kay Ethereum na-reach na yung C point, pero like I said, there's a possible na bumagsak pa to bago niya itaas. So, wait until Thursday. Sa Ethereum ba, kanong kalaki yung natin, ratio. So, kung bibili tayo dito, sabihin na this area na. Pwede tayo bumili dyan. Ayan. Mahit niya. Kulang 50%. Not bad. Not bad at all. Pwede. See? Pwede. Boom. Now, SLP. Well, SLP, plenty of room pababa. Actually, since siya, Gartley, it may even go to dito sa area na to. So, magko 40 cent tapos yan. Guys, perfect time to buy SLP pagka bumaba to. Kasi the moment na lumabas yung magandang news sa crypto, mag-i-spike yan. Along with the end of the month origin update, ay grabe. Pinakamahina yung 5 pesos pagka tumaas to. Then, it might even go to 8 pesos. Who knows? Okay, who knows? Maraming mga managers dyan na nag-hold ng SLP. Grabe. Let's just say I'm one of them. We're all praying. Kaya, chill lang, relax, have faith. Alam naman natin tayo papayahan ni Papa Gihos. Okay? So, something I love about Axie, talagang the developers care, Although they didn't take actions right away sa pag-control ng SLP, but in terms of business side, it is very smart kasi kung yung presyo ng SLP is sobrang taas, people would be having a hard time joining Axie kasi unlucky it was expensive. Imagine mo, it got to a point na per team na pure Axie noon, that was around 100k, pinakamahina. Floor Axie noon, nasa 90k, grabe, 90k pesos. Pero, eto, they had no choice but to, find a way to increase the value of the SLP by taking away production of it. Okay? So now, ano pa ba? Atom. Okay, so we have formation in atom right here. Atom. Yon. Si atom, medyo nagpo-form siya ng wedge dito. So, pero nasa C point na siya eh. Dito. Pero possible bumagsak pa to hanggang dito. Pero feeling ko hanggang dito siya. It may go down some more. Kung magsha-show dito na yung ngayon natin kasi ilan ba ano natin rito? Yeah, we have 2 nasa C point ng mini ng 4-hour harmonics. Boom, nasa shark harmonic. And then kung magre-reverse dito to, this could be a strong Pero kung if ever masisira yung shark harmonic ko na yan, meaning bumagsak pa siya, ang maging next target niya is actually meron pa naman to until 161% Fibonacci. So may plenty of room pa. So I don't expect this to bounce anytime right now. So plenty of room pa baba. And syempre, it will follow this pattern right here. And then, whoop! And how far? Kanong kalaki pwedeng kitain? Let's see. Okay, ano pa ba? Ay, what am I doing? Hindi pa kasi ako nagdi-dinner, kaya medyo slow. So, if we were to buy at this point, sabihin natin dito. Ayan. And then, ito unang target natin. 41%, not bad. And then, if we went up all the way up here, 61% potential. Potential, I'm not saying it's gonna go up there, but it's a possibility. Lalo nang yung news na yan. Diba? Yung news natin. So, let's go back to Tether overall view. So right now Tether is on a very kasi may daily candle sa Tether. Let's fix that. Boom. Daily candle nasa strong na siya. Anytime it could break kasi tiniran yung i-break to then hindi na break. It went down. Ngayon, kung ito magko-close below this, and it close below this area, pababa na to. Looking at it technically, pero with some funda, let's look at the weekly. Weekly trend line, boom. Ito, nasa, na siya, strong zone. So, kung yung week na to, mag-close siya below this, below this trend line right here. Dahil diretso na pababa niya. Projection, hanggang dito muna. Kasi yun yung other trend line. Pagka na-break niya yan, all the way down here. And how big is that? Kanong kalaking percent yun, if ever? We're talking about 66%. See, it may not seem that big kumpara sa mga nakita nyo kanina, pero we're talking about weeks candle right here. Week 1 candle. So, ang laki ng effect niyan sa eto, pag bumagsak na yan, bull run tayo sa crypto. Pataas lahat. Yon. Kaya let's enjoy the ride once we know which direction, whether it's pataas or pababa. Hoping pataas. Alright, so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching. And hopefully, let's have a profitable week sa trading. Alright? So hopefully, makatulong yung mga naging ko na to. Kaya, I'm thinking about updating lang naman din. We're gonna do some updates. Okay? We're gonna take out some updates kung kung magiging okay yung market. Kung mag-update naman ako, I'm gonna create another video once the news comes up and kung ano nangyari sa market. So, hopefully, I'll see you guys Thursday. Alright? And that's it.